Hello students, today we're going to do some more special sounds. More special sounds. Are you ready? Let's begin. Ing in pointing. Ing in pointing. N in not. N in not. N in gnat. N in gnat. Ang in bang. Ang in bang. Ing in king. Ing in king. Ong in long. Ong in long. Ung in strung. Ung in strung. Ank in bank. Ank in bank. Ink and wink. Ink and wink. Onk and honk. Onk and honk. Unk and trunk. Unk and trunk. Wa and wash. Wa and wash. And adopt. And adopt. E in baby. E in baby. U in little. U in little. Ed in wanted. Ed in wanted. T in looked. T in looked. And D in played. D in played. Very good. Let's go over our chart. Ing in pointing. N in not. N in gnat. Ang in bang. Ing in king. Ong in long. Ung in strung. Ank in bank. Ink and wink. Onk and honk. Unk and trunk. Wa and wash. And adopt. E and baby. U and little. Ed and wanted. T and looked. D and played. Very good, students. I will see you next time. Bye.